Okay, hey you guys, what's up? So it's been 2 weeks since I filmed a video and I feel like I'm slacking, and really I just needed some time to recuperate and kind of think of something to focus my channel on, because y'all have been seeing like a mix of like random stuff here and there, but I really want to focus more on health and wellness and beauty side of things. So we're gonna go with that, and we're gonna start from now. So hey, oi gente, my name is Olivia, and it's so good to be back. Yeah, okay, anyway, so this Friday I'm going to New Orleans, and our plane leaves at like 6:30 in the morning, so I'm not gonna have a whole lot of time to get ready unless I wanna wake up at like 3. So we're gonna do like a practice run right now. So I'm gonna do the 15-minute get ready with me challenge. And yeah, so this is gonna be really fun. It's gonna be a really real talk kind of situation. So we're gonna go ahead and set our timer, pull this hair back, let's get into it. I look like I have elf ears. This is cool. Okay, so we're gonna start. So recently I've been loving the skincare TJ Maxx has been carrying, and you guys know how much I love going to TJ Maxx and Marshalls and all those places. So I got these two little serums right here. This is actually organic rose water mist. I use it kind of like a toner to prep my face. And this is a Glow Vitamin C plus Magnesium serum. So it kind of like hydrates your face and kind of gives it an extra little like oomph vitamin C in the morning. And when you like kind of like put some cold air on your face, it feels so good and you wake up like instantly. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that. Oh my God, I'm so scared. So I got 15 minutes on the clock. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So when this timer goes off, I better stop. And if I'm not done, then yeah. Okay. It's gonna get real in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ah! Spray. Hydration. Okay, let's go ahead and take some of this glow serum and work it on in my face. Work it on in my face. Oh, oh, instant makeup. And now we get this little Clinique moisturizer. Come on, come out of the jar. Okay. And now we're all kind of prepped and ready to go. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is my Waterline mascara from Urban Decay. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the bottom lash line. It's okay if it's not pretty looking because I cleaned it up afterwards. Ooh, that looks real drastic. Okay. Hello. 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 Oh. Okay. Whew. Number 1. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and set this. So whenever I do, I normally put black liner on under my eyes, and whenever I do, I always take a black eyeshadow and set it, because if you don't set the eyeliner, it's going to smear. Everyone always asks me how my eyeliner never smears, and that's my little secret. So, fun fact. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going and setting, we're setting, we're setting. Because everything needs to be set. Oh my God, I look so emo right now. Ah! Stuff is falling. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. Take a little wet makeup wipe. I use the Neutrogena ones because they are awesome, and also TJ Maxx had like a huge stockpile of them at the store for like $3, so you know your girl stocked up because hello. Okay, oh, much better. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye because hello, they need to match or just be sisters. It's not the rule, or who knows, whatever. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes. Good to go. Okay, cool. Next part, okay, foundation. So I've been using this Clinique, what's it called? Beyond Perfecting foundation in shade Cork. It's kind of funny name, but I love this. It literally stays on all day long. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh my God, no, no we're not. Oh. Okay, we're gonna use this right now. It's the Master Camo by Maybelline. I use it for my dark spots, so I have hyperpigmentation of my lip. And I put this on over it. Oh, good thing I caught that beforehand. It's so funny because like sometimes I'll be in the car with Christian and I'll be putting my makeup on while he's driving. I'm not the one driving, by the way. But I'll put this on and we'll be at a stoplight and he'll be like, look over there, look at that. And it'll be some person looking at me and like I'm a crazy person. So, go ahead and we don't have time for brushes right now. We're just gonna go ahead and rub this in. Oh, 11 minutes. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. We got this. Okay. Okay, Zacino. 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 I'm gonna take the big damn beauty blender and we're just gonna, where's my mirror? Blend this all out. Uh-huh. I'm like literally pounding the shit out of my face. This is fun. Super fun. Whew, 10 minutes. Oh my God, I have to pee so bad. Why did I decide to drink so much water today? Okay. We're almost blended. We're almost blended. We're getting somewhere. It's fine. It's fine. We're all fine. No big deal. So, here we go. Yes. Yes. This is working. 9 minutes and 58 seconds! Okay, so now we're gonna go in with concealer. Oh, don't forget the neck. Cannot forget the neck. Okay, so I've been using the white concealer from Kat Von D as kind of like a mix into my normal Shape Tape concealer because my Shape Tape concealer is a little bit too dark. I got too dark of a shade and was too lazy to return it. So yeah, that's my life story. Okay. Ho ho ho. Okay. Need to blend faster. Blend faster. Okay. I'm getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere! Okay. Yes. Blending. We're blending. Blending. Morgan's. Where is it? Oh, okay. Right here. Yes. Okay. Now we're good. Oh my God, I have 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Okay. I don't know why I'm singing that. It's not like from Emperor's New Groove or something. It's not from like the movie, like Cusco. You're like, Stop getting carried away, Olivia. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and set this. Your eyes. Yes. Go ahead and bake here. Yes, and then I always bake around my mouth because, I don't know, I eat a lot and it always seems to come off, so I always have to bake on my mouth and a little bit on my forehead. Okay, whew. I'm gonna let that set, sort of. We have no time for setting. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this Fit Me foundation, powder foundation. I just kind of like stick over on top because I like to have my whole face covered. I don't like having any of my freckles or anything show. But, I mean, that's just my personal preference. Okay, whew. And now I'm just gonna take a brush, just kind of blend everything on out. Yes, yes. We are getting somewhere. And I got 7 minutes left. This is good. Whew. Okay, so one of my best finds I think, to this day is this Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo that I found at TJ Maxx for literally $12. So I'm like super excited. And it's a highlight and a bronzer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick contour on my face. Yes, when I got this, I was a bit tanner. So I mean, this is kind of a drastic contour, but I'm not really caring. I kind of like it. Yes, to the nose, and down here, and I kind of like to go under to give like my chin some definition in the corners up here. Yes, okay. So now we're gonna take this brush and we're gonna take the bronzing color and work that into the eyes because we're doing just like a everyday kind of look. It's a little bit more than everyday, but whatever. I do this every day. This is my everyday. We're gonna work that on in. I have 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna take this color. This is Smoke from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Just gonna take this and this kind of little angled brush and going on the corners of my eye. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna get my little blending brush and use this color right here. I don't know what it's called. I don't really look at it, but it's a color I use a lot, so kind of like a mauvey color. Okay, yes, there we go. We're getting somewhere. And now I'm gonna take my setting spray, spray it on my little brush right here, my little shadow brush. And oh my God. Okay. Take the highlight and just kind of work that into the corners of my eyes and blend it on out. Done. Okay, cool. Eyes done. Check. Okay, let's go ahead and put some blush on my cheeks to kind of give me some more life. Uh-huh. Yes. 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 Okay, and then I like to set my face before I do the rest, but personal preference. Spray my little highlight brush, go ahead and hit the highlight and just, ooh, yes. Yes, girl. Oh, look at that highlight and then put some on lids of my eyes here, here, here. Okay, that's done. Cool, 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 cool. I'll go ahead and take my NYX liquid liner. I used my teeth. Yes, I did. And do that. Yes. Okay, then touch up any little edges you may have missed with your liner bottom, because that's what I do every day. Uh-huh. Eyeliner's done. Gucci. Okay, now I do eyebrows because, hello. Go ahead, my clear eyebrow gel. Yes. Work. Oh, I got done. Okay, and my Anastasia pomade thing, whatever you want to call it. sound in the background. That's the air conditioner turning on outside. Cool. Okay, that one's done. And this one. I'm already done, you guys. I got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, that's done. I gotta clean them up. And then put mascara on. Let's go ahead and take this brush and just clean it. Yes, yes. Take this, put a little bit. This is like a little, pretty little colored, I don't know, pearly colored thing. What am I doing? Oh my god. What's it called? Eyeliner. Duh, pearly colored eyeliner. But I put it on the corners of my eyes so it gives it a little pop. I'm just gonna go ahead and basically rub up my eyelashes. This is fun. Woo! So I really wanted to put on false lashes today, but I don't know. Should I take the extra minute to do that? Should I? Should I not? I think I'm going to. Just because. Just kidding, no I'm not. Oh, I need to put lipstick on! Okay, where's my lipstick? Oh my god. Okay. The concentration is real. I did it. I did it. I did it. Ooh, okay, stop timing. Yo girl did it. Oh, did I just like smear my mascara? That would be really bad. But yeah, I did it. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't really think I could do it. If you guys could see this mess right now, it is legit so bad. It's fine. Anyway, that's all for this video, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe down below and leave a comment if you guys think you can do your makeup in 15 minutes, because I literally was having like a mini heart attack the whole time stressing about trying to do it. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! My stuff's falling. Oh, why is everything at the fall? I really hate gravity.